Welcome to this video guide on setting up the loop returns for TikTok Shop by Silk. In this guide, we'll walk through the authorization and initial configuration process required to enable automated return management between TikTok Shop and loop returns. We'll focus on two key phases: completing the three-party authorization, performing key configuration. Let's get started. First, log into your Silk Loop Returns account. After logging in, the system will automatically guide you through the required three-step authorization process. 1. Shopify authorization. 2. Loop returns authorization. 3. TikTok Shop app authorization. You must complete all three authorizations before accessing the full dashboard and enabling return synchronization. Once all platforms are successfully connected, you can proceed to configure your return settings. Let's begin the authorization process. First, authorize Shopify. The system will first prompt you to authorize Shopify. Click the provided button to redirect to Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and install the Silk app to complete authorization. Once installed successfully, your Shopify store will be connected. Next, the system will prompt you to authorize loop returns. This requires you to provide an API key. Please log in to your Loop admin portal. Navigate to Returns Management Tools and Integrations Developer Tools. Click Generate API Key, and ensure you select all the following scopes: Cart, Return, Order, Developer Tools, Destinations, Read, Happy Returned Shipments, Read, Create Returns, Read, Create Returns, Write. Then, copy the key. Paste the copied key into the Silk authorization field and click Authorize. You will then be immediately presented with Step 4. Authorize TikTok Shop app. Next, please follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization for the TikTok Shop app. This step ensures permissions for data synchronization. In this pop-up, simply click the Go to TikTok Shop Seller Center button. You have now been redirected to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. On this page, please complete the following settings: confirm or select the store you wish to authorize. Set the duration for partner access. Be sure to enter your valid contact email address. Once all information is confirmed correctly, click the Confirm to Install button at the bottom of the page. Once you see the success message in TikTok Shop, please return to your Loop integration window. There, you should see a new pop-up titled Complete Loop Returns Configuration. This is the system prompting you to finalize the setup for optimal performance. We highly recommend clicking Go to Loop Returns Settings at this time to configure the essential reason mappings. If you choose to skip this step initially, you can always navigate to the settings page later via the sidebar menu. Here, you need to establish a return reason mapping between TikTok Shop and loop returns. You need to select the matching loop returns reason for each TikTok Shop return or refund reason. By default, no mappings are set up, so you'll need to create them manually. To do this, start by selecting a TikTok Shop reason from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the corresponding loop returns reason from the drop-down on the right. Additionally, since Loop itself does not support reject reasons, you must pre-select a default TikTok Shop reject reason here. When you reject a return in Loop, the system will automatically use this reason when syncing back to TikTok Shop, and if you don't choose a reject reason, Silk Connector will randomly assign one. While these settings are optional, configuring them ensures data consistency between systems, prevents reason mismatches, and is key to achieving a smooth, set-it-and-forget-it experience. At this point, you can also enable another powerful automation, the Auto-Create Shipping Label feature. To activate it, simply toggle on the option Auto-Create Shipping Label for TTS returns. For every new return synced from TikTok Shop, a shipping label and tracking number are automatically generated upon creation and appear instantly in the return record, with no manual effort required from you. Another important requirement: SKU-based mapping. The integration relies on SKU-based mapping between TikTok Shop and Shopify. To ensure successful return creation, product SKU values in TikTok Shop must exactly match SKU values in Shopify. SKU fields must not be empty on either platform. Each TikTok Shop order must be successfully synced to Shopify before return processing. If SKUs do not match or are empty, return creation will fail. Please ensure your SKU configuration and order synchronization are correct before proceeding. At this point, the loop return setup and authorization are fully completed. The integration is now ready for use.